All right, so you might have seen on social media, unfortunately our new display got tagged by some kids. Not even a good image. But anyway, at least it gives us a really good opportunity to show you a couple of options that you can use to get this off your beautiful Coen screening. First up, I'm going to try the gurney. I am soaking myself. All right, then we're also going to use a little scourer, old shitty one I found, and maybe a light steel brush, but only really lightly. Yeah, see, it scratches it off. This is without any solution either, so. And well, it does come off, a bit of elbow grease. Like that. Oh, bleh. So that's just water. We're also going to try a little bit of this. Just on the shot. See if this softens it up a bit more. Let's try on this bit. Yeah, I can see it sort of eating the paint a little bit. Yeah, spray on allowed to dwell if necessary. Dwell. It's dwelling on the thoughts of should I come off or not, huh?